Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our another 24x24 development board with you. There are three antenna pedestals here. This one is the main antenna pedestal, this one is the GPS antenna pedestal, and this one is the BT antenna pedestals. And on the other side, here is the micro USB connector port, and here is the SIM card slot. You can insert the SIM card like this way. Very convenient. And I will teach you how to connect it with the computer. You can use a cable to connect it with the micro USB port, and it will automatically start. And before using the development board, you need to download the driver from SIMCOM. You can ask us for that, and we will send it to you by email. And after download the driver, you can open the SIMCOM software to check the development board. You need to choose the AT port, correct AT port here, and then start to test. We will send you the SIMCOM AT command to help you check. And if the result is this, your development board is working normally.